sight grew dim, had to stop for the night. There she stood in the doorway, I heard the mission bell. I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. Then she lit up the candle and she showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor, thought I heard them say, hey, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely face. I plenty of room at the Hotel California. Anytime of year, you can find it here. Mine was Tiffany twisted, she got the Mercedes Benz. She got a pretty voice, she goes red. How the dance in the courtyard, sweet summer sweats. Some days to remember, some days to forget. So I called up the captain, please bring me my wine. He said, haven't had that spirit here since 1969. And still those voices are calling from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night just to hear them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely face. They're living it up at the Hotel California. What a nice surprise, bring your alibis. Mirrors on the ceiling,
Buongiorno.
big champagne on ice. She said, we are all just prisoners here of our own device. In the master's chambers, they gathered for the feast, stabbing with their steely knives, but